How to Switch Accounts on Google Chrome, Android 2025 Guide for How to Mastery channel. Welcome to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple tech guides. In this video, I'll show you how to switch accounts on Google Chrome using your Android phone, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 2. At the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. It's usually your Google photo or the first letter of your name. Step 3. You'll now see all the Google accounts that are signed in on your device. To switch accounts, just tap the account you want to use. Step 4. If you don't see your account in the list, tap on Add Another Account. Then sign in using your email and password. Once added, you can switch to it anytime. Step 5. After switching, Chrome will automatically sync your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords from that account. Step 6. Bonus tip. If you want to keep different accounts separate, you can use Chrome Profiles or the Guest Mode option for temporary browsing. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to switch Google accounts in Chrome on Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Android tutorials. Only on How to Mastery.